What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a how to do winged eyeliner. So first off, before we even start, I just want to say that you need a good quality eyeliner. So what I use is the Too Faced Sketchmaker's You're So Too Faced. So I like using this because it's got a angle on it, so it's got like a paintbrush thing to it. So first what I like to do is I like to go off my natural eye shape. So I like to follow the bottom of my eye and just work its way up basically. So first off I like squint. It's really weird how I do my winged liner, but I just squint and I just follow it up. So basically I just do a line like that, and I do that on either side, but before I even draw it on this side I double check to make sure that it's the same height and it basically looks the same. So I draw just lines, and if it's not then I rub it out and then I try again like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like roughly the same. And then what I like to do is I like to fill in my eye. So I just fill in my lid, and then what I do is I just attach it basically. So I go on a bit of an angle and I try and attach my lid that I just drew on to my actual line that I drew. And what you want to do is you want to add like little by little, so you don't want to do too much over enough because then it's not really going to look the same. And then I just like squint my eyes to see how it looks, and if it looks a bit weird then I go back in and I just keep adding more and more till it looks like a solid line and a flick, you know. Yep, so that's basically how I do my winged eyeliner. You can go longer if you want, you can go shorter if you want. I'm like halfway pretty much. So with the line it just depends on how up your line is or how across it is. So it can be like different ways. It can be your line could be going upwards, it could be going to the side, or it could be going down basically. So it just depends on how the line is the way that the eyeliner is going to look like basically. So yeah, but this is the finished look. It's pretty easy. I do my eyeliner every day, so I'm kind of used to it now, but some people don't really know how to do winged eyeliner, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more so you don't miss out on videos like this. I will be doing more videos as well, so I'm not just makeup. I do vlogs, I do challenges, I do a lot more, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.